Guys, it's a pair back from my channel. Today we're gonna talk about a very good airdrop called Tap Swap and how to get a lot of it. So first of all, this is Tap Swap. You tap to earn, and this is a newly added thing that you have to connect your wallet to it, your Ton Keeper wallet or Ton wallet, and then you buy 1 ton and then you double up the 1,800,000. Also, there is a new task that's different from before, and if you go into Binance and register, complete the KYC, enter the ID, you can earn 3 million points, which is amazing. These are the leagues, and here are all of them. This is not a full tutorial, but this bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, master, grandmaster, elite, legendary, mythic, and done. In boost, we have tapping guru and full tank. Now down we have boost times 2, which is related to pay money, so we're not gonna do that. And let's let it load up again. Okay, so it has currently overloaded, so we can try it again. So as you see, it didn't work at that time, but we can do it right now. So as you see it loaded up, we have 1,800,000. The boost tapping guru basically multiplies the number by 5 for 20 seconds. Like for example, I get 11 points, level 11 multi-tap, times 5 equals 55, so I get 55 per tap for 20 seconds. Here's multi-tap, which increases the amount of tap you earn per level. Energy limit basically increases this bar. Like when I use all of it, a lot of it, it gets filled up instantly when you put full tank, and the energy limit basically increases the limit. So I have 4,500, I can make it 5,000. It increases 500 per level. Recharging speed is not that important. It just increases the speed of recharge. Basically, when we wait, it recharges this number. And when you have higher level of it, it recharges faster. This is the tap bot, and when your energy is full, it will work for 12 hours and tap extremely quickly, but it costs 200,000. And it's not level related. So let's use our tapping guru and let it work. Okay, as you see, I am tapping right now. Whoa, it's white. Whoa, holy. You tap very fast. You have to tap very fast for guru because it's only for 20 seconds. So I'm gonna just tap, and I don't think that we're in a good situation. So that was very cool. And we also have the full tank, so let's use it. It completely filled the tank. Let's just tap very fast. What's going on? It's glitchy. And let's just spam up a lot. Okay, so you basically tap to earn this. And as I talked about this, also there's ref tasks, which you can invite one friend, get 2,500, 34, 50,000, blah 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 blah. This is the copy link. And here's my friend, as you can see. Here's my friend. It's called Deep. And always use your daily boosters, as you see. Use your daily boosters and upgrade cards. Like for example, I'm gonna upgrade my energy limit to 5,000. It's correct that I lost a ton, but I can easily refill that tomorrow with the tapping guru. And that was the tutorial for Tap Swap. Thank you so much for watching the Tap Swap guide. We will also put the hamster guide later on. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and links are in the description down below. Hi guys, and this is the Yes Coin guide. As you see, I've done the tap swap guide a little before, so now let's go on the Yes Coin guide. Yes Coin is a very good airdrop, and the way to get a ton of it is by going to the Earn button. Now down in the Earn button, we can see a ton of things. You can connect your wallet, you can go up to Goldie, stuff like that I absolutely love. You can click on Boost, get a chest, and the chests basically always happen in the game, but this is the chest. When you tap on the chest, it rains down Yes Coin, and it doesn't spend that energy as you see here. It has an energy limit, and you have to try to get as many points as you can. As you see, I did get it, and the energy is going back up just like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Okay, so we're back in another airdrop. As we see, I promised to put the hamster combat, but unfortunately my hamster combat didn't load up. So let's check the second version of Yes Coin. Now there are two Yes Coin hubs. Now the one that I showed you first is the one who's most likely to become a coin. The one that I showed you before. Anyways, we tap to earn, and we have 171,955 energy right now, but it fills up to 172,800 energy. You can earn, but possibly the best thing is to invite friends. You get 25,000. You can also boost here. The boosts don't load up now, but they will later on, and I earned 5, but in the boosts you can also join a team if you want, or you can create a team, and you just tap to earn, similar to Notcoin or Tap Swap. You may say, yeah, but it doesn't have tasks, a lot of tasks. It doesn't have it because it has tasks, but not as good as Tap Swap tasks. Thanks for watching this video. This is the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, please use the airdrops. The links are all in the description down below. Bye.